What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have another Starbucks video for you guys. So I wasn't sure if I was going to try this one today, and then at last minute I decided I was going to try it for you. So I'm actually going to be trying another tea that they have. So I've tried the chai tea latte and I've tried the breakfast one. I don't remember exactly what that one's called, but I know breakfast is in the name. So I decided I was going to try the London fog tea latte today because it's the only one I haven't tried yet. So I was like, you know what, while I'm here, might as well try it for you guys. So I'm really excited to try it. I loved the teas so far, so I hope this one's good as well. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below, video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's try it. I get a tall iced London fog tea latte. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I have the tea here. I'm going to read to you guys what it says it tastes like because there's no specific recipe for this, obviously. So I'm going to read what it says, if I can find the recipe, because I literally just had it up and now it's gone. I'm hot, my car has no AC, I'm dying. Okay, bright, citrusy spark of something blends with sudden hints of lavender, mixes with vanilla, milk and ice to create a delicious Earl Grey tea. Oh, I don't like lavender. Oh my god, I'm scared now. Ah! Okay, here we go. Oh, no. Oh no. Oh my god, I'm not even gonna try another sip. This literally tastes like lavender tea. I should have read into it more. Oh my god, that was disgusting. Well, I'm not a huge lavender fan, but if you like lavender, this tea is probably like for you. But for me, it's not for me, not what I want. I don't like lavender. I think my favorite is the chai tea, or yeah, the chai tea probably. This to me is a 1 out of 10. Don't recommend because lavender is disgusting to me. I'm sorry if you like lavender. It's just not personally for me. But yeah, I'm kind of sad. I wanted to like this because I like the last two so far. So that's really depressing. Ugh. I like the tea and then it's like lavender and you're like, ugh. I can't do it anymore. I'm sorry guys. Thank you what did I say? Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sorry this video was so short, but this is just not even worth trying anymore. It's just so gross. I'm sorry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.